We have a brand new feature that lets Petstablished organizations transfer pets to each other. In this video, we'll show you how this works. Let's say you work closely with another organization that also uses Petstablished, and you want to transfer pets to them. First, the receiving organization will need to initiate the process and provide the transferring organization with their personal transfer code, which can be found in the My Pets Manage Bulk Pet Transfer section. Simply copy the code here and send by email or text. Once the transferring rescue receives the code, they will log into their Petstablished account, go to the My Pets Manage Pet Data section, select the transferring pets, click on Bulk Actions, Transfer Pets, and enter the receiving organization's transfer code. They can also check off the data they'd like copied over, including pet images, documents, applications, and medical records. Then hit Transfer Pets. By doing so, this creates a request for the receiving rescue in the My Pets Manage Bulk Pet Transfer section. The transferring pets will be listed here. Once they hit Accept, the transferring pets will get copied in their Petstablished account and can be found in the My Pets Manage Pet Data section. At the same time, the pet status will update to Transferred in the transferring organization's account. Let's review the steps. The receiving organization initiates the process and sends their receiving code to the transferring organization. The transferring organization selects the pets and any additional information or documents to send and inputs the code. The receiving organization then accepts the request. Both organizations' accounts will be updated. The receiving organization will see the added pets in their account, and the transferring organization will see the status changes for those transferred pets. In a nutshell, this feature lets Petstablished users seamlessly transfer pet data from their account to another organization. This is a huge time saver for organizations that pull pets. You won't have to manually enter pet information in their files anymore. This concludes our tutorial, but you can log in to view more tutorials in the Tutorials and FAQ section of your account, or you can schedule an online walkthrough with one of our friendly team members. Thank you for joining us and for all that you do.